Welcome to this video on modern circuit protection. We will compare the functions of fuses, miniature circuit breakers or MCBs, and residual current circuit breakers or RCCBs. We will explore how these three essential devices work together to form a comprehensive electrical safety strategy. First, let's look at the essentials of circuit protection and why we need specialized devices to maintain electrical safety in all installations. These specialized devices act as guardians, protecting our equipment and, most importantly, human lives from electrical faults. The traditional electric fuse provides reliable overcurrent protection. It operates on the principle that a wire with a low melting point breaks when the current exceeds a rated limit. Fuses guard against overloads and short circuits. However, they are sacrificial devices, meaning they must be replaced after every fault. Modern miniature circuit breakers, or MCBs, offer a resettable solution. They use a bimetallic strip for protection against long-term overloads and a solenoid for instantaneous short-circuit tripping. The key benefits of an MCB are its resettability after a fault is cleared and its significantly faster response time compared to traditional fuses. Inside the MCB is a precise electromechanical design that combines thermal and magnetic trip mechanisms. Arc chutes safely quench the electrical arc generated upon tripping. This precision engineering allows the MCB to efficiently protect devices and wiring from damage caused by excessive current. The residual current circuit breaker, or RCCB, is focused on personnel safety. It detects current leaking to earth, which is a life-saving feature against electric shock. RCCBs continuously monitor the balance between phase and neutral currents. A small mismatch, such as 30 milliamperes, causes the device to trip in milliseconds. Under normal conditions, the phase current equals the neutral current. If leakage occurs, for example, current flowing through a person to the ground, the imbalance is detected by a sensing coil. The resulting magnetic flux activates the trip latch in milliseconds, acting faster than the human heart's reaction time to prevent fatal ventricular fibrillation. This technical comparison matrix summarizes the key differences. Fuses and MCBs protect the device and wiring, while RCCBs prioritize personnel safety. The chart shows differences in fault type protection, tripping speed, and reusability, highlighting the unique role each device plays in a safety system. A multi-layer safety strategy is key. MCBs and fuses protect equipment from overcurrent, while RCCBs protect human life from electric shock. Combining these technologies in a modern consumer unit ensures zero gaps in your electrical protection, offering full safety. The modern evolution brings us the RCBO, a residual current breaker with overcurrent. This two-in-one device combines the protection of an MCB and an RCCB in one module. Integrated RCBO technology allows for independent circuit protection, ensuring a fault on one line does not trip the power for the entire house. Choosing the correct safety devices depends on the setting. For residential use, prioritize 30 milliamperes RCCBs for sockets and B-type MCBs for general power. Industrial settings need higher capacity MCBs, such as Type C or D, to manage the surge from heavy motors, along with adjustable RCCBs for minor leakage. Thank you for watching this video on electrical safety. If you have any further questions, please consult a certified electrician for safety audits and board upgrades. This slide lists the image sources used throughout the video.